Hey guys, welcome to yet another YouTube video. In this video, we would be attempting CSS Battle.dev target number 36 Interleaved, which is a part of battle number 7, which is also called as Backface. So, with that said, let's get started in this particular video. If you like our video, if you like the way I do the battle, and if you have any suggestions or comments, don't hesitate to leave a comment. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share with your friends and hit that like button so that we can reach as many people as possible on this particular video. So with that said, let's get started with this particular challenge. So here we are attempting target number 36, which is interleaved. They are basically kind of an ice cream sticks lying after each other. So again, let's get started with our HTML element P. Let's have style element. Let's give our margin to be 0, padding to be 0, and box sizing to be border box. So I have explained border box in just two videos before this, so you can see battle number 34 where we have explained what box sizing stands for. So that's basically we are initializing our default style sheets. We are changing the values of our default style sheets to 0. So body will have background color to be this. Uh, Happy, we will have inverted class and we will push this inverted class above. So let's see. With that said, let's get started with the p tag. Let's have background red for now. Padding 10 pixels plus 15 pixel. Position absolute. So basically I want to give position to be relative to the body. Here we can give position absolute. Mhm. We have left 10 pixels, probably 20 pixels, 25 pixels is looks right. 25 pixels from left is right, and from top we will have two IDs. ID A, which will have this color, and sorry, ID will have class because there are three of these, so we can have class, and two of these we can have class B. So let's say we have class A, and we'll have B class B. With that said, 25 pixel is from the left is looks about right, and from top we can have we can give top to the different class, and let's give the width sounds a bit lesser, so instead of 15 let's have 20, so must be 25 pixel, which gives 50 pixels width. 50 looks correct, and 25 from the left, so this makes 75, and this is like 100, so the next one will start from 100, 1 150, 175, so this should start from 175. Okay, let's keep this here, And let's give from class A, so we have dot A, left 25, dot B is still there, so dot B we can have left 100, left 100 was right, correct placement. Let's give the height. The height we can have it like 75% of the thing, so it should be around 300 pixels. So for 300 pixel, the padding we can give here is like 150. Ew, it sounds too much. 100 looks about right. And we can give border radius. So for A, we can have border radius to be uh, 25 pixels, 25 pixels, 0 and 0. Yeah, and for B we can have border radius to be 0 0 25 25, which would make sense because the stick for this we can have bottom 0, so we are pushing that to the bottom. uh, Background, instead of having red, for A elements we can have background to be this, and for B elements we can have background to be this color. Oops. Perfect. So we can do one more thing. Instead of repeating this elements and changing the left parameter, we can do what we can do is like we can have box shadows. So we'll use box shadow X differentiation. We want about 100 pixels to the right. Y we X we want 100 to the right. Y we want 0 transmission, 0 pixels 100. It should be 175, I guess. No, 150 pixels. Yes. We can give color also to be the same color. One is that, and another one would be 300 pixel 0. Looks perfect. So same thing we can have here. We don't need 300 pixels. There are only two of these, so two of this would do, and this we can have color to be the same. With that, we have completed this particular battle in less than 7 minutes. So perfect. I hope this is clear and able to understand. So basically what we did is we made the stick. We had the border radius on element A or class A, and for class B we gave this particular stuff. Instead of class A and class B, since we are not using multiple P tags, we can also use ID and change this to hash. One of the way of reducing the code, since we are using box shadow, if we were going to use the p tag again and again, we could have used class A. So with this is our 100% match with 603 characters with 500 characters, which is a 100% match. So with this said, let's reduce this code further down for CSS Battle. So I'm going to select the code which are at this level and give it a backspace. Let's select the code which are at this level, only two of those lines. So we have 358 characters and that's done. So I hope you enjoyed this particular battle, and in the next video we will be solving uh, the tunnel battle. So in order to do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will get to know as soon as our next video is available. With that said, have a great day, and don't forget to hit that like button so that this video reaches to as many people as possible. Thank you and have a great day.